Hey, it's Annie, and in the last video of this series, I'm going to be talking about getting your first car. Now, why did I pick this topic in particular? Well, besides from an anecdote that my mom has told me from her experience of getting her first car, I wanted to find out myself what is the process and give a kind of walkthrough of what to expect when you go in to find out about purchasing your first car, which is the second most important purchase of your life, they say, besides a house. So let's get started.
Now, let's rewind a little bit. You've arrived at the car dealership, but this isn't going to be a trip to the groceries. Here you have to use all the skills we've discussed in the prior videos. When you walk through those doors, you gotta walk in with not only confidence, but with your knowledge of budgeting and credit to ensure you get the best deal. Sticking to a budget will save you so much time, and it helps you focus on the kind of car you can get that is most affordable and efficient for you. It's highly recommended to do an online search before arriving in person to help you hone in on what it is you want, and to compare with prices you will hear from a dealer. Another benefit of online searches is discounts. A lot of the time you can be eligible for discounts that you initially weren't aware of. From veteran discounts to bonus cash, there are so many money-saving hacks that oftentimes get overlooked or go unnoticed. With these things in mind and just looking around, it's recommended to shoot for a smaller car as your first, because smaller cars generally have lower interest rates on car loans. When you've taken interest in a particular car, your dealer will usually take you locally around for a test drive. Dealers will also do a credit check, which is a huge step that can make or break your deal for this car. Dealers want to see that you have established credit of 2 to 3 years with a credit card before you can continue. The credit check is vital for what type of loans can be offered to you. Finally, after you review your contract and sign some documents, your dealer will give you a handshake and you're free to go. Going to purchase your first car might sound tedious or even intimidating, but it is a positive investment that you are going to remember the rest of your life.
So that's a wrap on this video, and that brings the mini-series to an end. And I just hope that what you were able to take away from this series is maybe the information wasn't very detailed or specific per se, but I hope this information was useful and that will be valuable to your financial future. I want to give a huge shout out to my project advisor Vicky for never giving up on me and helping me in virtually every way throughout this project. And a shout out to Brian for helping me with a lot of recording. A shout out to Edwin for helping me with editing and showing me some cool tricks for editing. A shout out to Karina for helping me find more information for these videos and for making this summer really memorable. Thank you.
And last but not least, my sister Gabby for being a wonderful actress. Thank you for being my star.